Yo! Wala na tayong intro, hindi na Sean. Kasi kinasal na si Sean eh. Ano tayo? Yo RB! Yo RB!
Oh my God, tagal-tagal na yan. Matagal-tagal na intro.
Matagal-tagal na intro.
At 12 years na intro meron na.
Next natin si Coach Rob. Yo RB! Ano ngayon? June 27. Wala na tayong errands today, pahinga. Ilang araw tayong lakad-lakad. Kagabi, nag-mini get together with the cousins. Tibayan family. Shout out! Ano lang tayo ngayon? Pahinga, luto tayo ng foods. Teach Cookits. Ki! Sabi ni Mrs. kahapon, nabibilang na daw ang araw natin sa Pinas. Lapit na tayo mo eh. Miss na tayo ni Mrs. Luto tayo ng adobs. Adobo sa mantika. Tapos dito na rin itong mga to. Let's go! Enka! Adobo sa mantika.
Roxy.
Matis, tsaka sausawan. Let's go! Wow, naman. Oh. Tagal oh. Gusto mo ba? Bawal sa iyo kasi tunak eh. Bawal sa ito na. Mamaya na. Kain na si Kokots. Gym hopping. Dito tayo sa Robertson Plaza. Shoutout kay Chip sa likod. Dito tayo mag-gym sa Anytime Fitness. Nakalaan tayo ng 1 day pass para libre. Okay, leg day kami ni tropa. Let's go. Ito namin ni tropa. Lakad pa. Dapat mukha ka lang mukha ka smart. Siyempre. Tsaka kung na may pera. Dapat mag-legs tayo. Kasi ang daming takot nakakaya. Kaya shoulder na sa tropa. Ayos pala dito. Maganda pala dito. Anytime Fitness. Shy type vlog lang. Libre din. Ayos na. Ayos na, pre. Musta, pre? Uy, gago. Ayos ka dito. Out na tayo. Out. Thank you, Coach. Ayos tayo. Anytime Fitness. Thank you sa libreng gym.
Maganda.
Maganda naman. Dumaan lang tayo saglit sa Kenny. Binili natin ng pagkain, sir. Dahil may sakit. So yun na lang muna for today. Bukas na lang ulit. Ayos pa, boy. Let's go. Ito ang bahay ni sir. Puro laruan. Ano yun?
record, yeah, for the record, yeah, for the record, for the record, yeah, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all, now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate, I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, had a lesson presence. Also coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost 'em. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash, fuck a tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
Pauwi na kami. Ito talaga ang totoong outro. Kita-kits bukas. Let's go. Ki, babay na sa kanila. Ki, babay. Ki. Let's go.